Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, the market has come to a standstill. It's very clear that Bitcoin fell under 100k, but was able to reclaim it as it's just consolidating, trying to make a decision in terms of what to do. But what is it waiting for? Until the 17th or the 18th of December, where the Fed meeting is going to be the turning point of this bull market, because this one is going to be the crucial one, which will be deciding how the crypto market is going to climb. If we talk about Dogecoin, it's also doing something similar, as for a short period of time, it did fall under 40 cents, but it's trying extremely hard to make sure it's able to sustain that price. If you look at the trading volume, it has dipped quite a significant amount, but as long as it stays close to Solana, we're still in a really good sense. Now, boys and girls, 75 cents Dogecoin will be back and stronger than ever. Are you ready for this? ChatGPT and Google AI predict how high Dogecoin can get. Donald Trump's strategic crypto reserve might be adding Ethereum, and Chill Guy had a crazy run, which we need to talk about. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first, so you can stay up to date with the news. While you're there, drop a like on it. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys something important. If you just look at the trend that Dogecoin is forming, it's very clear to something that we have seen previously. Now, if you look at this zone right here, that's pretty much the exact same condition that we're sitting in. Just because it's a larger motion in terms of the price being more volatile, it's a little bit, bigger numbers. But if you just look at the overall idea in terms of how this was reacting, it's actually very clear. You can see this consolidation phase, and then there was an explosion. There was a little bit of uncertainty, another explosion, consolidation phase, explosion. So it's been acting pretty much the same concept. If you just look at the way Dogecoin price acts, yes, this time around the consolidation phase is a little bit longer. You can say it's been about a month since we've been consolidating around the same area, but let me tell you, the next run up is going to be even crazier. The best way to see this, if we just go into a daily chart, you guys can see that this maybe is close to from the 31st of January all the way till April, which was about a 4-month consolidation. But then in 7 days, I'm talking, you will see a 500% increase in price, and something similar happened over here as well. But this time around, when it sets its all-time high, it's definitely going to be setting it much higher than what we had previously. Let me tell you, when Doge breaks its all-time high, reaching $1 will be a lot closer than a lot of people think. Why? Because you need to understand the way Dogecoin is performing right now. It's just waiting for another breakout. Once the breakout starts, there is going to be a lot of FOMO that will kick in. What will this FOMO help with? Well, more liquidity will be pushed into the Dogecoin market and definitely help pump up the price even faster to some newer levels that we have not experienced before. Now, this is another example of that. I mean, 27% increase today, and this is a screenshot from before, so that should give you perspective the type of numbers that we have seen from Dogecoin in previous times. And you can see that on Twitter, Dogecoin, Link, Ethereum, 3 of these things are actually just talking about crypto. One of them is Rockstar Games due to GTA 6. Now, ChatGPT and Google AI predict what is going to be the price for Dogecoin. The first scenario sees Dogecoin at a market cap of 125 billion and an addition of 65 billion, which would put the price to about 84 cents. Now, that's a price that you would be very happy to see. ChatGPT assumes that the market cap will reach 200 billion and the price will climb to $1.35. Either way, I know for a fact that you guys are going to be very happy to see these numbers. Why? Because these numbers will definitely help bring the optimism back into the Dogecoin market and help it push up even higher. Now, Donald Trump's strategic crypto reserve, will Ethereum join Bitcoin? So a US strategic crypto reserve will likely include Ethereum. there is a mounting evidence that a national strategic crypto reserve will include Ethereum in addition to Bitcoin as its core holding. Now you need to understand this is going to be really game changing. Why? Because you need to understand that Bitcoin, first of all, previous government was trying to get rid of the Bitcoin reserve. Once Trump has come into power, being able to keep the Bitcoin reserve and increase it while having a second currency such as Ethereum being added to that is definitely going to be a very good thing for the whole of the crypto market. Now, talking about Chill Guy, if you guys do not know, that's one of the largest memes for this bull run that has actually occurred. If you just go into the meme coins category, you will see it's a pretty big numbers that it actually did end up making it to, but just a Chill Guy right there. Now what happened today, it had a really strong pull down, and the reason for that is there was a violated IP rights, says the artist, and token crashes by 45%. So pretty much the artist was not happy and there were some rights which are being taken away, so a lot of panic actually occurred. The open interest for Doge is still holding strong, close to 2.7 billion, and the whales are definitely buying this consolidation phase that we're stuck in for now. Now, Dogecoin fate tied to Bitcoin, says crypto analyst. Sit back and wait. As long as Bitcoin is going to climb, Doge will double the returns. Here's why analysts believe that Dogecoin's next uptrend is around the corner. I mean, it's very easy to see. You can see that the RSI's overbought is revealed or relieved, and once it's relieved, it definitely has more potential to climb even higher. And keep in mind, the relieved is a huge numbers, because the way it actually came down into the RSI form, I mean, if you just look over here, it was able to recover back into the center zone to be able to be more explosive. Previously, when it was in the center zone, it was around here, and to go into the overbought zone, it was able to climb by about 400%. So that's a good return. And Crypto Pro French Hill takes charge of the key US Finance Committee. Another person. Now, we talked about French Hill. This was a rumor earlier today, but now it is definitely confirmed. And Trump signals a new economic era with crypto and AI focus will be coming into America very soon. And esports crypto coins, the digital currency revolutioning competitive gaming. Now this is interesting because if this goes properly, maybe GTA 6, which is going to be one of the biggest games of history, honestly, that if they have some sort of integration with crypto or real life, that would definitely have a huge impact on the whole gaming industry. It's so huge. If it correlates with crypto and online things relating to that, it's definitely going to have a very positive impact on the crypto market, and more money will be flowing through. Honestly, as I just mentioned, we should be just a little bit patient. We're still very early into all of this. As long as you guys are willing to ride the wave, as there is no way to just go up. It's obviously going to have a little bit of downside. We're going to be fine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.